Feel the effects of Hurricane Delta until this weekend. Meteorologist Kate Bilo is tracking the storm. Hi, Kate.
Hi there, Jessica. Yeah, we'll have a couple of different scenarios as far as how this storm could impact our area, but certainly the impacts will be nothing like what they're going to feel in the Yucatan Peninsula and the Gulf Coast. So here's the latest update. As of 5 p.m., this just came out about 15 minutes ago. Still a Category 4 hurricane. It is strengthening, though. Winds now at 145 miles per hour. It's moving west-northwest, now picking up a little bit of steam at 17 miles an hour, and that would bring it into Cancun overnight tonight into tomorrow morning as a major, dangerous Category 4 hurricane, then into the Gulf of Mexico, where it will likely briefly re-strengthen early Friday to a Category 4, possibly weakening slightly before making landfall. All indications are that this will be in the central mid-Louisiana coast late Friday evening or Friday night, again as a major Category 3 hurricane. And then the cone of concern widens a little bit as far as where does Delta go from there. But Delta is the third Category 4 hurricane of the season. It went from tropical depression to Category 4 hurricane in 36 hours. This thing blew up. It is the strongest Greek alphabet name storm ever on record, and it's likely to be the fourth Gulf Coast landfall we've had this year and the 10th named storm to make landfall in the United States, which has not happened before. Meanwhile, closer to home for now, it's quiet. Bethlehem is beautiful tonight. The sun is shining. Temperatures are cool and comfy, very seasonable for early October. We're at 70 in the city, 68 in Allentown, 67 degrees in Wilmington. Dew points are low as well. Dew points are in the 40s, but starting to see a little bit of an uptick of humidity off to the south as moisture lifts in. Storm Scan 3 showing a front that is approaching from the west, and out ahead of that it's going to turn quite windy tomorrow. The front should come through dry tomorrow evening. So tonight some fog may try to form, otherwise mainly clear and quiet at 54 degrees. Tomorrow warm, windy, 78 degrees. Look at those winds gusting to 35 miles per hour. Precipitation chances just about 10% on Wednesday, but they do rise Sunday into Monday. So let's talk about two different models. The first one I'm going to show you is the GFS model. That brings the moisture from Delta north, bringing us rain Sunday into Monday. This is 1 a.m. Monday. Noon Monday, it is still raining. Meanwhile, the European model suppresses the rain to the south. Look at Monday morning, 9:15. The rain is south. Monday night, 11 p.m., still off to the south. That would mean mainly showers for us. So there's still quite a bit of uncertainty as far as where Delta will go and what will happen to the remnant rainfall once it moves inland over the eastern United States. We've put a chance for rain, at least in the forecast on Monday, a shower chance Sunday, but that's something we'll really have to watch once Delta makes landfall Friday night. In the meantime, the rest of the work week looks great. Noticeably cooler Thursday and Friday, and then a sunny but warmer start to the weekend. Jessica, back over to you.
All right, Kate, thanks.